Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will solve problem 1 and 2 of exercise 13.1 in 12th class maths. So the first problem is given that E and F are events such that P of E is equal to 0.6, P of F is equal to 0.3 and PE intersection F is equal to 0.2. Find PE such that F has occurred and F such that E has occurred. Now this problem is based on the concept of conditional probability. Okay, we have also seen the formula for conditional probability. So let us solve this problem. Now what is given, that we will write first. So given P of E is equal to 0.6, P of F is equal to 0.3 and PE intersection F is equal to 0.2. Now what we have to find is probability of occurrence of event E such that event F has already occurred. So let us see how we can find this. So we know that probability E such that F has occurred is equal to probability of E intersection F divided by P of F. So this is by definition of conditional probability. By definition of conditional probability. So this is equal to probability E intersection F is equal to 0.2 divided by P of F, that is 0.3. So that is equal to 2 by 3, right? So now second one, let us see how to find probability of F such that E has occurred, that is equal to probability F intersection E divided by probability of E. So this is equal to what? Probability of F intersection E or probability of E intersection F, it is the same. So that is 0.2 and then divided by probability of E is 0.6, right? So that is nothing but 2 by 6, so which is nothing but 1 by 3. So this is the solution for the first problem. Now let us go to the second problem. So that is this: compute probability A such that B has occurred if probability of B is 0.5 and probability of A intersection B is 0.32. So we know that, again same formula, that is the definition of conditional probability we have to use. So we know that probability of A such that B has occurred is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Okay, so that is equal to what? Probability of A intersection B is 0.32 divided by probability of B is 0.5. okay, so that is equal to, now we will move 2 decimal places behind, right, or ahead. So in this way we have to move the decimal, so that is 32 and then this point will go and also take 2 decimal places ahead, so that means what? 50. So this is equal to, now 2 16s are 32, 2 25s are 50, so that is 16 by 25. okay, so this is the answer. So that's it in the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. I will see you in the next video.